When we hear the words robotics and artificial intelligence, we tend to have a negative perception that robots and AI will soon eliminate jobs and make human labor irrelevant. Science fiction books and movies have propagated the idea that robots will eventually overpower and dominate their human creators. However, this is not an accurate description of the present-day scenario, nor does it justify the power of robotics. In fact, several industries today are at a shortage of skilled professionals. Specifically, let's take a look at the healthcare and nursing sector. By 2030, India will need an estimated 6 million nurses. While the World Health Organization recommends 2.5 nurses for every 1,000 patients, India has only 1.6 nurses for every 1,000 patients on an average. These statistics are relevant to several other developed as well as underdeveloped countries, making this issue a global concern. The nursing staff are at the backbone of any hospital. However, we often ignore, let alone acknowledge, their incessant hard work every day. They work long shifts and their efficiency plummets towards the end of the day. As a result, there is a need to maximize their efficiency and reduce the number of monotonous tasks that they have to perform. Sedated and unconscious patients in hospitals need constant monitoring and attention. They need to be turned around every 1 or 2 hours to facilitate effective blood circulation throughout their body. This prevents complications like pressure ulcers or bed sores. This is a physically demanding task that nurses carry out for several patients on a daily basis. In addition, nurses also need to lift patients from their bed and place them onto a stretcher or a wheelchair so that they can be mobilized around the hospital for various purposes. We are a team of passionate engineers. We are looking to solve this problem by using the power of robotics. Meet Hyan, the hydraulically actuated autonomous nurse. Hyan is a collaborative robot or a cobot. Hyan works closely with nurses and patients. It is a humanoid robot specifically designed to aid and not replace nurses while doing physically demanding tasks such as lifting and turning patients around. It has 3 hydraulic actuators, 1 primary and 2 secondary actuators. The secondary hydraulic actuators are mounted on each arm. The main actuator is used to move the torso assembly up and down. It can carry patients weighing up to 175 kilograms or 385 pounds. The arms of the robot can be moved at varying speeds. The hydraulic actuators are extremely reliable, eliminating the possibility of dropping a patient in the unlikely event of a power failure. Hyan has a vision system to detect the posture of the patient to ensure their safety before lifting or turning them around. The nurse can control the robot by using touch sensors underneath the arms, voice control, or joystick control. Now, let's have a look at how it works. A harness is placed underneath the patient on every hospital bed. Hyan slides its arms into the slots of the harness with the assistance of the nurse. On the nurse's command, the patient can be turned or lifted from one place to another. Current solutions to this problem often employ mechanized lifts and hoists in every bed. These are often imported and extremely expensive. However, with our solution, a single robot is sufficient to cater the needs of an entire hospital ward. It will also feature autonomous navigation. The nurse only has to command the robot where to transport the patient within the hospital, and Hyan will do so seamlessly. We are extremely excited to be working on technology that solves the problems and drastically improves the lives of nurses and patients. We would really appreciate your support and invite you to join us in this endeavor.